Hi my lovelies and welcome back to Cola's Destiny. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. So today we'll be showing you how to deep clean your strip lashes. I'm using 91% alcohol. Now you can use 70% and up. Now this is actually optional. I'm using some micellar water and I mix the two together. Micellar water is a oil-free makeup remover. Now this is for my dolls that wear a lot of mascara on their lashes, which I don't recommend. You'll also need a bowl. You will need your tweezers. You will need a spoolie, and this spoolie actually came from a MAC mascara that I just cleaned and disinfected so that I can use it for this purpose. And obviously you will need some dirty lashes. Oh, and a paper towel. And as you can see, the lashes are full of glue and a little bit of glitter. There's some makeup on there, and we're just going to deep clean that all off. So in our bowl, I will be using 2 tablespoons of alcohol and 2 tablespoons of the micellar water. If you're opting not to use the micellar water, which you don't have to, I suggest to use 4 tablespoons of the alcohol. Now submerge your lashes into the mixture, and there you have it. See how the mixture is clear? It won't be clear at the end of this. So after 15 minutes, this is the result. You have all the loosened glue, all the loosened makeup, looking pretty nasty, right? Now when the glue starts to loosen, you'll notice that it gets very white. It looks kind of boogery. Honestly, I don't know how else to describe it, but yeah, that's what it looks like when it's starting to loosen and you know you're just about on your way to remove all of the excess glue. So I like to wait a half an hour before I start to remove all the gunk off of the lashes. And this is the result after half an hour. This is 30 minutes of soaking. And as you can see, the lashes do not look so attractive. It looks like a wet cat. The hairs don't look as fluffy and pretty anymore, but we're gonna fix all that. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is remove your first lash from the mixture, pat it dry on your paper towel, very light pressure. You don't wanna disturb the shape of the lash. Okay, so as you can see, the glue is loosened, and I'm just going to use my fingers and pull up in upwards motion, not sideways, not down. You don't want to disturb anything on the lash band. You don't want to loosen any of the hairs. And there you have it. It comes off nice and rubbery. And that is what you're looking for. Glue that's easy to be removed without yanking at your band. Now what I like to do as my final step is to place the lash band in between my index finger and my middle finger. I use my spoolie and I comb through the hairs of the lash, sometimes moving back and forth, and this actually fluffs up the lash. Now when you're using the spoolie, what it does is it removes any excess glue that might be attached to the hairs. It fluffs up the lashes, and anyone who wears mascara, it also removes the rest of the mascara from your lashes. And your lash is all clean. brand new. Save your coins, girls. See, as you can see, that was the clean lash, and this is a second lash full of gunk. And we're just going to repeat the same process. Pat dry, remove the glue, fluff up, and your lash will be back to normal. Now here's all the residue that was removed from both lashes. This is what you would be reapplying to your lashes, causing an infection, which we don't want. Always make sure that you clean your lashes. So I lied, this is the final step. I like to put the lashes back into the alcohol mix just to ensure that anything that was on my hands is now removed and your lashes are clean and ready to go. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Love you.